Do we need to add another book? You're too tall, man. Oh no, my camera's gonna die. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with my brother Robbie, and if you guys did not know, Robbie has some developmental disabilities that make it harder for him to do some things on his own. Some things on his own. He's pretty like self-sufficient, I would say, right? You're pretty good about doing almost everything by yourself. Yeah. You can talk. You just don't have to. You don't have to just nod, goofball. But so today we're gonna be doing something in the kitchen, which is something Robbie struggles with a little bit. He doesn't know what else. What kind of things do you struggle with in the kitchen? You don't know? Well, like what makes it hard for you to cook stuff in the kitchen?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah.
Okay. But so we found this 200 meals in a mug. Oh, it says 250.
Yeah.
What? You didn't correct me, dude. So we're going to be trying out some of these recipes and see how easy they are for Robbie to make them and possibly make them on his own. So, follow us to the kitchen. Alright, Robbie, what are we making?
Apple pancake puff.
Apple pancake puff. Oh, the lighting just went wacko. Alright, so what do we have over here? So let's look at the
ingredients.
Alright, so do you want to show us the ingredients that you have?
Got the pancakes.
The pancake mix.
Got the brown sugar.
Brown sugar.
Got an apple.
An apple.
And some eggs.
And some eggs. Alright, and then you have all your measuring tools.
Yep.
And then your mug.
I got one.
One mug. Alright, you ready to cook, dude?
I think so.
You think so? Alright, let's get ready to cook, man. Alright, so we gotta whisk our apple for 3/4, so I'll hold
This sweater? Yeah,
this. And then shred it. Yep. Or do you want to hold it?
I hold it.
Okay, you hold it. I'll hold the cup.
Okay. Fine. Hold it. No. See? I'm trying.
Okay. Here, hold it up a little higher, yeah, so you get the whole... It all might just be on the back. You gotta push really hard, man.
Oh, right.
Yeah. Keep pushing. Do you want to cut it, maybe?
Oh, yeah.
Let's do that. So where's the cutter?
The apple cutter?
Yeah, where's the apple cutter? I don't see it.
Neither.
Alright, do you want me to cut it for you?
Yeah. I'm gonna get a...
Yeah, I'll just cut it on the table. So maybe it'll work better in slices?
Oh, yeah, maybe.
Alright, or do you want to try it like this? Alright, cut more slices.
Yeah.
Remember, we don't sew like that.
Let's try.
Okay. Right, and you can probably do the front side too.
This
Yeah, just do the whole thing.
Yeah.
Is that working better?
Yeah, I got one.
Well, a lot of it just goes on the back too.
We're getting it.
We're getting it. Alright, so we made a little mistake. We tried to grate the apples instead of cutting them. So right now we are slicing up some apples to apple shreds.
Yeah.
Robbie, you took a class to learn how to cut and everything like that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? That one's a little smaller.
That
one might be a little too big still. Yeah. That's good.
Yeah, I'm trying to.
Yeah. Just keep slicing away. He did already spray the
Okay, yeah.
the mug.
And
put the pancake mix in it, so we're ahead of the game.
Yeah.
That's probably good now. That's a good shred.
And now it's.
So he's just shredding up. I think it might take the other half the apple too.
This half?
Yeah. And then you should be good. Unless you're really close right now. Yeah, I'll probably take the other half of the apple. It's a lot of apple shreds, man.
And cut this one a bit smaller.
Yep.
That big thing.
Cut that one a little bit smaller.
Okay.
One more time down the middle.
Yeah, I know. And then we're going to cut any fingers off too.
Yeah, do not cut your finger off because we don't have a car to drive. Mom had to go take her car in. That's good. Right. That one can have lots of cuts. We're almost there. Alright, do we need to use the other one? Alright, do you want me to cut the next one?
Yeah.
Alright, you come on the camera.
Okay.
You just look on that screen. Alright. You don't have to be so far away.
Come a little bit closer?
Yeah. You can get closer if you want.
That's what I did.
That works. See, I made them like super tight. There we go. Did we make it? We made it.
Yep.
Pour it in.
Got some in there.
Yep.
Another. And.
Alright, that's like, looks like it's gonna be an apple-y pancake. Alright, now what do you need to add next? What?
What the?
Uh-oh.
Yeah, no.
Is it rock hard?
Yeah.
Oh, no, it's fine.
Okay.
So, how many of those do you need to add?
2.
2? Yep. Scrape off the top. Make sure it's nice and flat. Remember? Yep, that works. So 1. There you go. 2.
Yep.
Beautiful.
And this an egg.
An egg. Are you good at cracking eggs?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see it, Crack Master. Alright.
Yeah, you got no shell.
No shell. You don't want any shell in there. Alright, I'm
Yep.
zooming in, man. Gotta get this crack in action.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Dang, that's like...
Yeah, look at that. That's gonna be a pancake, guys. I'm not really sure how it's gonna be a pancake, but it's gonna be a pancake.
Like no shell in there? Let's go to it, Michael.
Yep. There might be, honestly, too much. I did. So make sure everything's all mixed in. You want to get the bottom too, because there's still the...
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to get everything from in there, from in here. Oh, yeah, now I can now.
Oh, alright.
Thank you.
This one looks more like a dessert than it does a breakfast.
Wow. Look at that.
Alright, make sure you get all the flour off the bottom.
Oh, yeah, right there.
And it also said whisk, but we're going to use a spoon because whisking in this tiny mug might be a challenge.
Yeah. Yes, you will be.
Alright, do you think it's good?
Yep.
Yep. Alright, what's the next step, Robbie?
In, microwave.
Microwave for how long?
For 1.5 minutes
1.5 minutes?
to 2 minutes.
To 2 minutes. So you can go 1.5 minutes and then stir it and then do 30 seconds.
Yeah.
You want to do that?
Yeah, I'm gonna get...
What?
You got stuff on the spoon.
You can just scrape it off with your finger. It's your food.
Yeah, so...
That actually looks really good.
It does.
Alright.
Can maybe put this...
No, keep your spoon. Why am I carrying this, man? This is your food.
Yeah.
Keep the spoon. Don't put it on the...
I'm not...
So we have...
Two.
So how long did it say?
Oh. 1.5.
1.5?
Yeah, almost.
So
1.
1.
Over.
Nope. So what is... So on time. So what's the number that sits at... Okay, how do I word this? So... What makes up half a minute?
30 seconds.
30 seconds. So 1...
30.
1:30, yep. Oh.
Okay, so.
And then, well, what?
Huh?
Now what? It's not working, but...
No.
How was your first cooking experience?
Good.
Well, not your first cooking experience, but how did you like that?
Good.
Good? How do you think this is going to taste?
Good.
Think it's going to taste good?
Yeah.
Alright, well, hopefully.
Oh, yeah, hopefully.
Was it easy to make or was it kind of hard to make?
Like, kind of hard.
Kind of hard?
Yeah, the apples were hard.
The apples were hard?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're trying to grate them, but it did not work.
Yeah, we tried to grate them and it didn't work. It kind of just made it into a mushy mess. But that might have been better for this recipe.
Yeah.
Do you think maybe?
Yes.
But I don't know.
Yeah.
We just didn't have the time for it.
Yeah.
we were not patient this morning.
Yeah, and that's went for it.
We just went for it. Do you think you'll make more stuff
Yes.
in the
In the mugs?
in the mugs?
Yeah, so.
So should we do another cooking show video
yeah.
on my YouTube channel
Yeah.
featuring Robbie?
Yes.
All right. We got to shake on it. They have to witness us shake on it. We shook on it, so that means he's in a contract now.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay.
This smells good. Oh! Oh, my camera just got all foggy. Alright, guys, look how good. It's not even focused.
Okay.
Look how good that looks. It's like a pancake in a mug. So good.
Yeah, it does.
Alright, so he decided he's going to add some syrup and some butter. So you don't have to take the plastic off the whole thing, just where you want to cut it. Yeah, because you want it to stay fresh. So, hold on. So you're just going to unravel it like that much. Because you're only going to cut a tiny piece.
This, huh?
Do you want that much butter on your thing?
No, I like that one.
Nope. A little smaller. Like right
Yeah.
there. That's still a lot of butter, but you know, it's fine. It's going to be good. And it's going to melt. Alright.
Let's see if my finger.
Yep, just be careful.
I did. Let's put.
And now some syrup.
Yeah. We can put some stuff back too.
Yeah.
And I'm almost out of syrup now.
Almost out of syrup. Is there any syrup coming out? Or is it empty? Oh, there you go. Oh my. Alright.
There you go.
Alright. Alright.
Look at that.
Beautiful. It looks so good. Alright, so we just finished cooking and now Robbie's gonna try it.
So.
It's so... Alright.
Good.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Alright, can I take a bite?
Yeah. The butter's still not much.
Hot! Oh!
I know.
Thanks for warning me.
And the butter's still not buttered yet.
There you go. You gotta scrape it around.
Oh.
Alright, I'm gonna go right here. Look at that bite. Yummy, yummy. It's not even focused. That's really good. I think it would have worked better if it was grated apples. It wasn't the shredded.
Yeah.
So, alright. We're going to let him eat, and then we're going to come back and kind of talk about how his experience went with this. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I had a lot of fun cooking in the kitchen with Robbie. Robbie, what were some of the things that you found difficult when you were cooking your pancake?
The apples were hard.
The apples were hard?
Yeah.
So, in the recipe, it said to shred the apples, and so we used, like, a grate, and we found out that it kind of just turned them to mush, so we, what do we do?
Cut the apples.
We cut the apples into really thin slices. Do you think that made it better, or do you think it made the recipe worse?
And butter.
You think it made it better? Did you like having the apple, like, slices in there?
Yes.
Alright. What was something that you enjoyed while cooking? What was something that made you feel happy when you were cooking?
Alright. And then on the finish.
Eating the finished product?
Yeah.
Of the breakfast. Was it good?
It was.
Alright. So, if you guys would like to see more cooking videos or any type of videos that I do with Robbie, give this video a big thumbs up. And I'll leave his Instagram and all that stuff down below. But